Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two gaming motherboards that will leave you saying, wow, I need that. On the left, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2, and on the right, we have the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic, price. The ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 comes in at a wallet-friendly $169, while the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 demands a bit more attention at $359. Ouch, that's quite a price difference. But remember, folks, it's not just about the price tag, it's about what you get for your hard-earned cash. Now let's talk about compatibility. The TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 is a match made in heaven for 3rd General AMD Ryzen CPUs, thanks to its AMD AM4 socket and PCIe 4.0 support. On the other hand, the ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is ready to party with Intel socket LGA 1700 for Intel Core 13th Gen processors. So whether you're Team AMD or Team Intel, both of these boards have got you covered. When it comes to power and thermal design, these motherboards mean business. The TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 boasts a robust power design with 8+2 DrMOS power stages, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors. It's like having a bodyguard for your CPU. Meanwhile, the ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 takes it up a notch with a 16+1+2 power solution rated for a whopping 70A per stage. Talk about power. And with its massive heatsinks and high-conductivity thermal pads, this baby keeps things cool even during intense gaming sessions. Let's talk about staying connected. The TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 offers Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, and a 2.5 gigabits LAN with ASUS LANguard. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless online gaming. On the other hand, the ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 gives you USB 20 gigabits per second, 10 gigabits per second, and 5 gigabits per second rear I/O ports, front panel USB connector with PD 3.0 up to 30W, and even a PCIe 5.0 x16 safe slot. It's like having a connectivity buffet. Storage baby, the TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 comes with dual M.2 slots. One with PCIe 4.0 x4 connectivity, that means super fast storage for all your games and files. Meanwhile, the ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 takes it up a notch with not one, but 4 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, each with its own heatsink. You'll never run out of storage space again. Based on online reviews, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 is highly recommended for its easy installation process, luxury features, and overall performance. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 receives praise for its impressive audio card, visual appeal, and smooth system performance. And there you have it, folks, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550-PLUS Wi-Fi 2 and the ASUS ROG Strix Z790-A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 battling it out for motherboard supremacy. Which one is right for you? Well, it all comes down to your needs and budget. Don't forget to check the description for links to these amazing products. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic showdown like this again. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy gaming.